Sige, ako na lang.
Kaano ko naman sila to, guys?
Oo. Over. Ayan ba. Set to siga. Ella, it looks like a carnival.
Ni hao. Really?
Say hi, Casey. Hi. Hi. Say hi. Happy birthday, Ava.
Hi. I know it makes no sense to just like put it here and then makes no sense, right?
I can start. My brain thing. I have a little bit of
Ella, si Kili, Ella.
Ew. Mga tapan. Ew.
Hi, Ava. Is it your birthday today? Huh? Is this your carnival? Do carnival. Kulang na lang ng ano ng Ferris wheel. Ang cute nila.
We're missing
A Ferris wheel, right?
merry-go-round.
I need to exercise sometimes.
Ano, paano? Paano yung ano nila?
Meron ako yung jumper.
Ah, okay. Yay! Bubbles!
Eva.
No, just Ate Erika. Let her do it. Let her Ate Erika do it. So everybody, all the kids can play with it.
Tutong kalalain na sa'yo. Kalalain.